Hello guys, nandito tayo sa loob ng bahay ni Boss at may pinapagawa guys. Tingnan natin. So yun guys, ito yung pinapagawa ni Boss. Bumili siya ng corner glass. Okay, corner glass. Side corner, 3-tier corner glass shelf. Yes, buuin natin. Ito yung procedure guys, kung paano gagawin. Number 1, yeah, check everything. Check all the tools. And we have here 3 glass, 1 2 3, and we have 6 tube, 2 4 6, and this is the base, 3 4, and some plastic, and this is for the top, 4 over there. So let's start to assemble guys. So yun guys, assemble na natin. Mag-start tayo sa isa. Lagay natin yung pin. Yes. Sa pin. On. And of course, we put plastic. So when we tight, it's not broken. The glass not broken. Okay. We're gonna put now. 1 2 3. Very easy guys. If you want to do your own DIY, no problem. It's not very hard. If you buy like this in the future, you can do your own. Ito yung base niya guys. Ayan. Tapos na. Ito yung top. Ito yung top niya guys. Yeah. Pero assemble natin pababa. Start natin. After that, we put again some plastics in the top. This one. To support the glass guys. And after that, one glass again. Yep. Gonna put here. I write down and we put again some plastic between the glass. Yeah. And we put another tube. The use of the plastic guys to hold, if you tight this tube, the glass not broken. Aywa. And after that guys, we put another screw here. Yes. You can do your own guys, because there is a procedure here. Even you don't do this one, yes, you can do your own. Yeah, plastic again here. And after that, the glass again. Glass. Okay. And after that here. Okay guys, kapit na natin. Maybe I need to put. So yan guys, finish. Okay. Yep. Three glass. There's more. One more stand here. So we can hold this one here. Yeah. Put here. Hold. Uh-oh. Now finish, guys. Okay. Four stand on the bottom. Three on the first. And three. Now this is the overall view of the side corner glass. That's the procedure how to do. That's the drawing. And yes. Yes guys. Nabuo natin ng tama. Yung side corner. Lagay na natin sa pinag gustong paglagyan ni boss. Ni madam. Dito daw sa corner. Where is the corner here? Maybe here. I don't know here. Where are we gonna put? Maybe in this area. Yes. Okay. You check now. Turn on the light. And that's it. That's the side corner here. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. So yun guys, tapos na. Kaya nyo gawin guys. Very easy. And more power guys. Sana supportahan natin yung YouTube channel natin guys. Paki-like naman and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to press the bell. And if you want the video guys, please share also. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye.